Hello, my name is Richard Craik. I'm one of the student interns here at Skipton Building Society and I work as part of the digital team. I want to take a moment of your time to tell you about two Sharpen workshops that I will be hosting this month in April on autism. The reason I'm hosting these Sharpen workshops is because, being a person with autism myself, I find that there is still a lot of misunderstanding in wider society as to what autism is, which is what this talk is all about. It also works out quite well with the Building Society's aim to become the most accessible building society by 2020. Now, these Sharpen workshops will take place on Tuesday the 16th of April and Thursday the 25th of April. Both of them will start from 12 o'clock and finish at 1 o'clock. Now, should you be unable to attend, be aware that I've requested that one of them be recorded so that it can be hosted internally, so that should you be unavailable to attend or be part of our amazing branch network, that you'll be able to catch up with it within your own time. There will also be a separate instance where I will have the Cafe Society stall on Wednesday the 17th of April from 12:30 till 1:30, where I'll be able to answer any questions you have regarding autism and also to give information on the charity of the month for North East Autism Society. So I hope to see you there at the Sharpen workshops. Thank you for your time.